Here are a few great reasons why the Airlie 19 Twin is the perfect van for living life on the road. Twin axle design providing stability both on and off road, making it simple and easy to tow even for beginners. Maximum living space, queen extendable bed, lounge and dining area, full ensuite with separate toilet and shower. Water storage, twin 120 litre water tanks plus grey water, all managed by the Easy Fill water management system. Advanced power system, 400 watts of solar, lithium batteries and a Renogy power management system. Storage for days, inside and out. Take more and travel for longer. If you are looking for a van to become your home away from home, then the Airlie 19 should be at the top of your list. Stability is key when travelling long distances. The Airlie 19 Twin delivers with its twin axle design and Easy Rider V2 suspension system. Built for ultimate control and balance, this caravan handles tough terrain with ease, ensuring a smoother, safer ride for your family. The Easy Rider V2 independent suspension and the 16-inch off-road tyres allow the Airlie 19 to handle Australia's country roads without missing a beat. Paired with powerful 12-inch brakes, you can rest assured your caravan will stop safely and smoothly. The twin axle design makes the Airlie 19 tow easily behind your four-wheel drive vehicle, even if you're just starting out. Built for adventure, designed for stability, the Airlie 19 is your perfect travel companion. Living on the road means taking more gear, and the Airlie 19 Twin is built to handle just that. With a higher load capacity and smart storage solutions, there's room for everything you need. Check out the dedicated coffee storage unit or slide-out pantry, keeping essentials within arm's reach. And with soft closed drawers and ample overhead cabinets, there's plenty of room for all your books, food, clothes and travelling essentials. Even the ensuite is loaded with plenty of storage, allowing you to live like you would at home. On the outside, you've got a huge tunnel boot and plenty of storage in the front toolboxes for those bulky items like the generator and the toolkit. With more storage, more capacity and smart solutions for longer trips, the Airlie 19 Twin is ready to take you on the road in style and comfort. If you're living life on the road, why make sacrifices? The Airlie 19 has a fully equipped kitchen designed to let you cook like you would at home. Plenty of bench space, including the fold-down stovetop cover, means you'll be able to prepare even the biggest meals. There is storage for days, including a slide-out coffee machine drawer and pantry. A huge fridge and separate freezer means you can store more food and for longer when you head away from town. The multi-function luxury sink provides filtered drinking water, hand and glass wash facilities, plus a selection of useful sink inserts, including a strainer, smaller sink and timber chopping board. There's even a flexible pull-out tap mixer with 3 different spray patterns and an additional water flow function, perfect for the inspiring master chef. A 25-litre microwave, a 4-burner cooktop with both gas and electric functions, and a grill means you can cook up a storm. And the lithium power system with a 2,000-watt inverter means you can even run smaller air fryers and toasters. Cook like you've never left home in the Airlie 19 and enjoy the freedom of life on the road.